So over the next few weeks, we are going to be releasing some Black Friday deals to help you get the best offers available. I wasn't expecting to do any of these until next week at the earliest, but this sale just dropped and I wanted to let you know about it. This is Writecream. We've talked about it loads on this channel before, and we've mentioned it in our free newsletter creator course as well. This tool is going to help you produce AI content. You can see all the different types of things that you're able to do with it here, including producing copy. So if you are a copywriter, you want to sell copywriting services, you want to find clients that you can copyright for, or you just want to start your own newsletter business and you want to be able to copyright for that, then this is a great tool for you to check out. You can see you've got here, as soon as you go onto it, you try to leave, they're going to give you 10,000 words for free, which you can sign up for. You need to be a new user, and that's how you're going to be able to access this flash sale they've got at the moment, which is 50% off. You need to be a new user, which just means you can have a brand new Gmail account would work, but you can see all the different things here that you can do in order to be able to create content online, in order to produce content. And you can use it on your mobile as well. So if you're out and about, you want to create content, it's all saved in your account. So you can write things while you're out and about, and then you can access them back on your desktop. Now we're going to be bringing you loads and loads of offers. Before I show you how you can claim this particular offer, it's under $10, by the way, that you'll be paying for this. But we have our website. This will be a link in the description. We've got our newsletter where we're going to be releasing all of the deals. So we're going to cover as many as we can on this channel, but I can't make a video on every single one. But we've already heard back from 20 of our partners that we're working with that we'll be able to let you know as many of those as possible. But if you want the full list, then I definitely recommend coming over to our website. As I said, link will be in the description. You can see we've got loads going on. Click on this one here, you'll get over to our page where you can sign up for our newsletter. You can check out our previous editions. Sign up to that, you'll get the offers there, and also our members as well. So you can become a member, just click on this one here, you can log in or sign up. Our membership area has got loads of content that we don't put up onto our channel, where you can access that content completely for free at the moment. At some point our membership will become paid, but right now it's free, so get in there now so you can access everything there. But you can see at the moment these are the offers that they've got. Unlimited $29 a month, standard $49, extended $69. But if you go and get yourself a Gmail account, or if you haven't signed up for Writecream already, go ahead, sign up. Link in the description is the one that you need to use. Then you'll be able to sign in. I've just signed in with one of my Gmail accounts here. You can see I've got Writecream. This is what everything looks like. And then you'll see that you've got this banner at the top. Now you don't have a lot of time in order to do this. As making this video, you have 13 hours. So you want to get this done very quickly. All I need to do is click on more info once I've created my brand new account. And you can see here, I've got the offers, but we've got the build yearly or build monthly, $9 per month, unlimited credits, unlimited words per month, access to all the tools and priority email and chat, which is an insanely valuable offer, much better than the free plan. And if you've got the money now to do it, you can save even more with the yearly plan, and that's $60 a year to get the unlimited credits, unlimited words generated. You've got the SEO tools, and here you've got the email tools, long form editor. It really is a crazy offer that I recommend you take a look at. What I've also seen as well is they've got a coupon code. Now I don't know if the coupon code will work with this offer as well, so I'm going to put the coupon code down in the description. Feel free to test it out. You're going to get this insanely valuable offer anyway. But if the coupon code does work, do let me know in the comments so that other people know whether they need to take advantage of it as well. So if you want to see more about how Writecream works, then we do have a ton of videos reviewing it, showing you how we use it, walkthrough guides on the channel. I'll leave a link to that playlist as well in the description if you'd like to check it out. But as I said, you create a brand new free account. You'll be able to have 20 credits to play around for yourself, create some content for your newsletter, for your business, some content that you could sell to try and get yourself a copywriting gig. And if you like it, 13 hours is all you've got left as of releasing this video in order to take advantage of this. So Don't hang around if this looks like a tool that you want to use. Subscribe to the channel, because I said we're going to have a ton more Black Friday offers for copywriting and a few other things like AI art coming out as well on the channel. So turn the notification bell on so that you get those, because a lot of them aren't going to be around for a huge amount of time. And as we see them come up over the next few weeks, we will be releasing them. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next one.